That thunder just came from a lightning strike that was probably less than a quarter of a mile away. Or that thunder was, yeah. It was less than a quarter of a mile away. It was like super bright, about blinded me, it was so bright. And I'm out here in this shit. Rain just stopped and started up back again. I don't care about nothing but my boat trailer, as long as it stays straight. I don't know if anybody can see that over there, but yeah, I'll zoom in. We can't see my boat trailer. Let me get over there a little bit closer to that without getting wet. Boat trailer is right there. Yeah, this is bad. Or it's supposed to get worse, I don't know. But you can see how hard the wind is blowing up here in the light. Sorry about the light quality. I need to get my butt back inside, what I need to do. But